Hello everyone, this is Sriram Balaji. In this video, I'll walk you through a hands-on tutorial on how to create a list page. Let's get started. Go to the Design Studio. So what I'll do is I'll create a page for registrations. So just before I do that, I just want to show you, okay, a view I created. Thing is, if you go to course registration views, so by default, when you create a course registration table, it'll create all these four views: active, course registration, course registration associate view, lookup view, and the inactive ones. So what I'll do is I will go to and open the active course registration. This is the view we will be using for the list page. So I'm going to go there. So what I did is I added a few columns. One is the attendee name, the course, and the registration rate using this add a view column. So that's that. And the one more thing I just want you to know is in the last video we had actually configured the table permissions. So if you go here, course registration. Just want to show you that I want to add all the roles and not just the anonymous and authenticated users because as an admin or a maker, I'm using this design studio and trying to test the site. I'll just for now also added the administrators. So that's that. Let's go back to our list page. Now I'll say create new page. I say registrations. I'll choose a standard layout, start from blank. I click add. So now we have the registrations page. So I'll choose a list component. So I choose in registrations. So that's the list. I'm going to choose. It takes a few seconds to load. So we'll see that it has loaded the active course registration view just to confirm. I just open it. If you see, the list is the table is the course registration table, and the data verse view we have selected is the active course registration that I showed you a minute back. I click OK, and preview will not show anything because we don't have any data. The thing is, once we create data, then we can see the data in the list. Just to recap, so what we did in this video is we actually created a list page for registrations. So here we are using an existing Dataverse view called active registrations. So we created a new blank page and then added a list component and chose the view that is the active registrations view. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.